Good morning, this is Fiorella Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com. Jose is in the kitchen area trying to remove all the high dust. This is a beautiful house. Older couple. The wife just passed away a couple months ago, like 2 months or so. The dust is heavy. That's the ceiling fans. It's a clean house. Don't get me wrong, but senior people don't dust. All the surface looks clean, but it's a lot of dust on light fixtures, AC vents. We bring our yellow cloth to remove the fine dust. It's dust everywhere. Beautiful decoration though, beautiful decoration. A lot of knickknacks, so they're gonna take us a lot of time to dust and clean properly this house. I'm gonna bring my yellow cloth, beautiful view. A lot of knickknacks. Also, they clean all the AC unit and all the AC vents. But when they clean it and they put the AC to run, they bring down all the dust that we have to clean. Another thing that we have to deal with today is, this is beautiful. Is in the closet. The daughter already removed some of the clothes of the mother. She ripped out the carpet from the closet because she said that it's a strong smell in this bathroom. They were sick. She had cancer and she had a lot of diarrhea, even though the daughter put some chlorine, but she told me that the smell is still strong. So I asked Maria to dust. You can see the dust on every single surface. The reason why I request to put everything on top is because we need a space on the bottom of the closet, so we can put a special product to sanitize, deodorize, disinfect, and let it sit for a while. You can see some calcium and a lot of black spots. In the windows sills, we are gonna use a vapor steamer to clean. All vertical blinds, dust of course. I'm gonna bring my yellow cloth so you can see more of the dust. You cannot see it right away, but I will show you with my yellow cloth.